bought them, right?
You met me buy them.
Doesn't matter, babe.
2 drinks.
Aren't you hungry?
Not really. Right now I just want to take a dip in our water. Why you look softly?
What?
Why you softly?
The same place bring back memories. We're always coming for a bun and cheese date, babe. I'm so happy.
Can't wait to take a dip in our water now. Alright, I want to talk to you about a few things.
Okay, I'm listening.
I know say that talk about recently you that tell me about you want to talk to me about something. What do you want to talk to me about?
Alright, so a long time married, you remember that, right? 5 years now we've been together. From high school.
Yeah.
And now we're 18, so
Yeah.
I think we should take our relationship to the next level. As late us moving in, living together, start life together, start a fresh brand new life, a family, you know,
Yeah.
make life together. It's been some time since we're dating, babe.
Yeah, I know that.
It's been a long time.
Well, how I feel about that? I don't know for sure if we did it yet. Because you still go to university. I'll be going 6th form right now. So it's hard to think about for moving when we are going to different places. You know, it's the way I work, so we make money, but we don't make enough money. Can't really think about for moving somewhere yet. You get what I say?
Seems like you're here to spoil my day.
How may I spoil it?
Let me see your phone.
Where you asked me for it?
Just want to check if I'm meeting a new friend. Let me see your phone.
Alright. Because I don't understand how I don't meet nobody. How meeting anybody would have caused me to think about for that moving. I not even know say you reach that point in life where you are moving.
Yeah.
See nobody in my phone.
Did I say that?
I just my family and friends.
It doesn't matter whether we want to be young or we not make enough money. We can start life together. All we need is just the drive and ambition. Right? What I want to become. What I want to become in the future.
You know, so more I become, more I want to be own business, more I build my own company. More I become rich.
So I want to be a businessman.
Yes.
Well, that's great. I want to be an attorney. And since you want to be a businessman, we can always open multiple law firms in the future. We can work together as a team, so that's a great look.
Yeah.
So and so.
I don't sound that way, I just, 100%. I have to think about it. If I have to think about it, I can't just up and say, let's do this.
You love me?
Yes.
You know me love you, right?
Yes.
So once you love me and me love you, things can work. We just need faith. Just start something.
Alright. But wait, bud. You alright, bud?
So what you sound so? This
How
is
me
our
sound?
moment.
Alright.
You sound so negative and cross. What's the problem?
Alright. I just remember that east side I was supposed to be you caught me off guard. But we try to remember.
You're just trying to spoil every single thing. This is our moment, celebration of our romantic relationship for over 5 years. Anyways.
Alright, I'm sorry. You know what's I love you? At Easter. We just enjoy our bond.
Okay.
Put this smile on your face. You don't say you want to smile. Okay.
Sure.
Alright. So how school are going right now? Teacher never give you a problem?
No. Never.
Alright. So if we're going to look for somewhere to live, We're gonna have to check out a few places. You know the place?
Not really, but I can always check in the Facebook and Instagram and see what's there. I can ask a relative or a friend or someone. Somebody must know somebody.
Alright.
So you can leave that up to me to like check out places and get the most reasonable price.
Yeah.
Trust me?
Yeah. Better go fly bathroom and come back. Yo. Well, go on. No, brother, I know something I go through right now. My man tell me say she want to move in. Brother, you can't talk right now. So what you mean I can't talk now? Brother, you're the only person we can't talk to right now. You already know some father in the day in my life. Me can't get what other male perspective me can't get. Not talk to no woman, brother. Alright. May I link somebody else? I know somebody we can link for talk about this. Cause right now me need some advice. Alright, me link in later though. Alright. Only one person can't kind of. Long time since me not see him still though. Alright. Alright, run this.
That's a very long, amazing bathroom break.
Yeah, it was. Okay, you don't need time for bun though. Could I never wait for me?
Okay.
Uncle Public! Welcome, my boy. Welcome. You remember how?
Pumba! You go long to say, boy?
Long time though.
Jesus Christ, you grow a big man. So
Yeah.
what go
You know, say, I check me door, I come check your door. Cause, you know, like, you're my uncle. But some of that father in my life now. And you there in my life for a very long time.
Hold on. You in trouble?
No, I'm not in that
Bad
trouble.
man running up?
No! I don't know this. Nobody think that. I don't know this. I just
So what
want to
go
come check you. You know, say, you know, by 18 now.
Pumba, time fly that mean. Now knows you want to say peep. Yo, go on, go do something and find something there, man.
How with that?
Are you all auntie?
My
I mean,
auntie?
she just tormented and all these things. But hold on, back to you now. So what you say?
Uh,
Because you know, it's been a while since I see you. I'm glad to know say you think about relationship and all these things. So you second with a girl or something?
you know, say that? Because I just left high school and then I still go to university. 6 hours a day now. So, you know, I work, I make a little thing. So.
Listen to me, Javi. A long time you know you don't really explain yourself properly, you know, because you want to tell me what go on, but you don't really want to tell me what go on. Tell me what go on. Well, you have a girlfriend, you want to move with or something with what? You have planned to do some robbery, what? What go on?
I'm moving with her.
You're moving with a girl?
Eh,
You serious?
but woman,
So how long are you together now? Because you're 18, so what?
5 years.
5 years?
Eh,
So it means the whole of high school. Alright, you are going.
yeah.
When you're moving with a woman, it is plain and straight. Make sure you have a woman on the side, just in case.
On the side?
Yes. Reason because if you ever go put everything in a she, when she flip the switch for you, you know so your fuse blow. And for your uncle can nothing but say, boy, I wish my little nephew when have a better understanding of woman. A woman will mad your brother. You understand me I say? Only if you understand me, I said.
Maybe I understand. I just the woman there over here, I knows you for herself.
As usual, you know, that's stuff you have to stay. But listen to me, as I said before, take this thing serious. You understand? Come here, try to work up your yard to go start my business. You want to go check her?
I don't know her.
Eh?
Yes, I'm your auntie, but I don't know her.
Are your auntie, man? We are talking about. As she say, man. No, I say. What? All right, you are going.
Yeah.
Do what you do, but keep me informed. Let me know which part you are
Yeah.
going.
Let me get back a number to it, because, you know, it's a long time I don't have a number
Yeah,
far
man,
away,
sure,
because, you know, my mother, she don't make me keep in contact with you far away.
For your mother, one different story. I'm not going to go back on that. Yeah, just show up, man.
But I still love her, though.
Yeah, I mean, you have to love her.
Yeah.
Your mother and can't give up on her. But you
Yeah.
listen to me. Every step you make,
Yeah.
you will guide you through. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, more for me to her, more for know, so she serious and all these things. But the main message, any way you want to take it, is that have a woman on his side. You understand? Yeah.
So yes, a side woman.
Side woman is very important. She take care of all of the stress.
Alright.
Alright?
One?
One is alright to start. Are you young, you know? You understand? Sound like you have energy.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure about this, you know, but I say, I trust her because I'm an uncle.
You don't know what's going on, man. You have everything in your best interest. See?
Yeah.
Only a bank, man.
Yeah, I got
Good to see you, and I'll link you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, so we
Alright.
talk. Yeah?
Alright.
You know about she, because you see, she knows their business as usual. I'll the bank, man. We
Alright.
shall get. Yes, sir?
Hey,
Cool,
uncle.
cool. Yeah, man. This boy know what kind of business man live in 18. My God. Come here. How you look at my place for what? Find something for doing, man. You just in on the business, sir. PP clock. Put in a record for me over here. Can you put in it for me? You just a PP like you want something to do. Because me I wake up here, you watch me. What you be? What you there for? Eh?
What you question me for? Remember say me older than you. You don't just question the little boy. Who that the boy that just up in a chain and all kind of thing like a son scammer? Who him?
Are your nephew. Yeah. For your nephew.
My nephew?
Yeah.
So
Javi that.
Javi?
Yeah.
Little Javis. I saw time fly.
Yes, time fly.
So how are you knowing they talk about down there so now?
So what you think I got tell you? Him come to me, and me come link up. You see, you really feel me I tell you my business.
So no really keep when me never from me make him grow up and me no know him.
But
So me could have the pan road and he see me and come look me too. That's why people feel know their family.
That's true, but guess what now? Mind your own business. If you want to see him, you want his number, you just give me his number.
How me and what you talk about? Me and mind people business?
No. When you walk around like a PP clock, like a dog, search for him till I turn around like
Lord
this,
have
and I look
mercy,
for
Father
business.
God, help me, Jesus. You want to tell me something in my yard I walk and they look out, but I mean I have no right to do that? Look here, go on about your business, because it come like you forgot say me and you are sister and me older than you. Don't call me and talk to me like that again. I know make me diss you.
Alright. You
I
see because
style,
the
I
day just
style.
start. You see because the day just start, more have a good day. Yeah? Enjoy your day.
You know something, me notice your friend the other day. Me notice you, know, you public, me notice you. Since you get so big and start up woman, you feel you can contact to me anyhow. But I don't say go. Remember say over here say you live. We mama dead and gone. Who you? When you little so, and me a change your pampers, and me have to take care of you. Remember say we mama dead gone. And left with you so. You can't contact to me anyhow till you start have fed and hear all about pan you.
Hold on.
Who you?
Hold on. You mean if you tell
And
me
not
say...
talk to me like say you're my man neither. We are brother and sister.
Alright, hold on. You mean say every day I same thing, every day what God create, you get up with the same conversation.
Why?
Why you need for me give you for you understand? Say, I appreciate all the help you give me, but you can't stop one so like say boy I owe you something every day.
Are
Like.
you the one like me obligated to you? Because me and me yard I look over the people in yard over there. So you over there some question who to tell it for me nephew because me don't even know him. And you can't tell me say me a fast in a people business. Who you?
Yeah, but you still you start turn. What you talk about? Eh?
Why me older than you?
Alright.
I mean, you're bigger sister and attack. You know what? Go on about your business.
Look up yourself, yeah? You?
Like me not have no right to look. I for your eye.
Fear.
You look like a yours.
Upstairs?
Look expensive though, but I lie.
No, I don't think so.
Oh yeah, to look for our apartment.
Yes. We just gotta just rent out part of it.
Go see if we can find one bedroom.
Yeah, we don't need to know, just me and you alone.
Yeah.
So one is fine.
Yeah, that's fine, but you know, sir, we just left high school. We have to think about money. I say my expensive, so I'm not 100% sure if we move in.
No worries, sir. We both are young and we can work together and build life. No worry about the fact that we just leave high school.
Why? I want a big step, but since we love you, I no problem for it still. I know so my mother already have problem between we being together. So that's our next reason why we want to move out. But because we love you, can't move in together still. So we look at the house and see what can go on.
Babe, stop over yourself now. We're young and we can start life together. Mama say you work and me I work too, so together we can make ends meet. And teamwork make the dream work. Stop worrying about your mother and this and that. Make our love build upon faith. Believe in me now, baby.
Alright, we believe in you. We believe in you. Alright, now we just go look. Because right now I'm tired.
Give
Come
me a
on.
hug.
Alright, come on. Yes, it's nice.
Very nice. As time goes by, we can buy everything.
Well, see, I'm coming in.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good evening. What's up?
I'm here, good evening.
Nice. You're looking nice. Lovely.
Good.
I think I see this place renting. Is it for real?
Yes, it's renting. This place there for rent. So you want a room to rent or what?
Yes. You're the owner?
No, I'm not the owner, but the owner is around. You can get to him if you want to him.
So can I see the place or what?
Well, you know, it's not available like you see it now today because people up there and a lot of things up there we have to get cleaning up first.
Oh.
But we have a lot of more room in it. It's not here alone. We have a lot of more, as you can see. Tenant live here, tenant live right there. You can see. So we have more rooms. So it's no problem.
Can I have your number?
My number?
So I can call you about when can I come to view it?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Alright, your number.
It pull or what?
Ah, boy, I don't know how to use this phone. Just a second there.
Let's see what- So you can call me at any time.
Anytime?
Anytime.
Sure.
Anytime. Okay, and bye.
Alright. Have a good day. A good evening.
Same to you.
Alright.
So how are going, sir?
Like what, babe?
Do you look flirtish?
Babe, no worry yourself. Just tell me I put it on him.
Style?
You understand? So the rent can reduce and become less.
Oh, okay.
So we can save a little money.
Yeah.
Can use it on something else. We don't want him.
Oh.
You sound so jealous, you don't know me by now.
No, I'm not so jealous.
For high school days we're talking.
Yeah,
You must can't trust me, you more.
yeah. Come on. Alright, but the thing is, you know, I have something to do right now.
Like what?
I just have something to do. I work. You have to work yourself. But, I go, you can reach out by yourself?
Well, yeah.
Okay, alright. I take one taxi, don't worry yourself. Let's see when we call you.
Alright.
Why you look next?
People expect me to miss you.
Alright, don't worry yourself. We call you. Especially since night I come down the way. I have to do my thing. Come on. I don't want to reach home when I come down. Come on. Hello, sir.
Oh, Amin.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
Whoa, what?
I'm okay.
You know, some usually come and shop and say Bobette, but
Bobette don't work here anymore, and me I run the shop now.
you have a shop now?
So
Nice.
what you need?
Take a time here, rush, you know.
I thought me do one at the back. Me don't have the time to waste right now.
Jesus. Alright. Give me one of the tropical rhythm there. And one of the
Tropical.
thin sausage.
Alright, what you want? Spicy or the original?
What you like? You like it spicy or like the original?
And what me like, sir, what you need?
Give me the original.
So that's $3.90.
$3.90. My name is Kema. What's your name?
Sir, I'm in a heat. Just pay me. Me and pass out some fish round at the back right now.
Let's pay you. Take US dollar.
Yeah. 130 is my rate.
30 is the rate. I'm not gonna pay the US. Yeah, I'm gonna give one wrap my butt.
But you're not easy. But if you're not ready to spend, I mean.
Oh, yes, sir. I guess I'm ready.
Yeah, man, it's okay. Just I have to go around the back.
So my money I drop out because I get nervous. Say you not tell me your name. Why you be so rude? Now I'm
I'm not being rude.
Huh? Of
This is
course
a
you're being
business
rude.
place. You can't come and waste my time like that.
I know it's a business place. That's why I come here for business. You know what I mean?
How is business?
So much you say for this thing here?
$3.90.
$3.90? I must get your name, you know. Keep it
You
change.
go on.
Keep it change, yeah?
Sir, I don't need the money. Wait
Keep
for
it change.
I don't need the money. Wait for your change.
Alright. Don't be your own. That's if you don't be change.
Come. Sir, wait for your change. Sir! You know what? I can go on.
Sir.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you have for drink?
I have ginger beer, Pepsi, Coke, thing, Gatorade. What you need?
Can I give one Pepsi, please?
Pepsi. Cold one or the room temperature.
Can I give one cool one? One for cool down my nerves.
Half cool what?
Cool down my nerves because I
Cool on your nerves. What happened now?
You know, say, just I got through something today.
Really? But you look really sad, man. Tell me a bit more about that.
Just going on in my life right now. Right now, we just have to just come to the shop and just come to just cool down my nerves.
Well, you know,
Drink
we
a
can't
Pepsi.
take nothing like cleaner, but if you really bother you that much, I am here, you can talk to me.
I don't know you know. Ask something if I really talk.
Well, you can get to know me.
Yeah. Can I get to know you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I am Princess, you know.
Princess.
Yeah.
So they call you?
Yeah, that's what they call me.
Okay, that's nice. You look like a princess now.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You know no king. Run!
I'm gonna move so fast. So what's the name?
My name's Giovanni.
Giovanni.
Yeah, but my friends call me Javi.
Javi. Okay, I like Javi. Well, I don't have any king, you know.
You know no king?
No. But differently, let's not go there just yet, Javi. You said that you're having a bad day and you're not telling me why. What's up?
So, well, something for doing work. Yeah, kinda stress me out. Right now, I think about to buy one new place, moving. And some things are really away from me right now.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know how to advise you about that because I've never been in that situation.
Okay.
But the best that I can tell you is that everything happens for a reason. So if a work has stress you, it happens for a reason.
Yeah.
You just have to take your time, slow down, and work at it as the best way that you can. You know, you just have to do what is best for you.
Yeah, man. That's
So if you're dead tomorrow, work still there. So I don't want you to stress yourself, you understand? But probably can exchange number and you can let me know how that turn out.
Okay.
Alright, let me get my
See that you see I go with your money too.
Oh my Lord of mercy. Alright,
You
so
can keep the change.
keep the change.
Yeah, but I don't really force you over money.
Alright, not a problem. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright, just put in your number and I'll contact you.
Okay.
Alright, so you said Javi, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ring you now. Oh shucks, man, I have no credit.
Yeah, no credit.
No, but
This said it's so.
alright then.
Yeah.
So I'll text you on WhatsApp because I have data.
Okay.
But,
It was nice meeting you though.
yeah man, not a problem.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, Javi, see you.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
What going on with you?
I'm glad, uncle.
You good?
Yeah.
So what kind of breeze blow past my brother?
We come up here for sale.
Eh?
I want to shop with you like come from just a while ago.
Wait. I don't say enough shop me own up here. You know what I mean?
Shop your own up here?
Yeah man, enough shop me as, you know, take care of people and make sure people alright up here. My thing that.
Yeah, so you go.
Yeah man. So we do it. So our relationship, is that going good?
Yeah, go on good man.
And when you say going good, what do you mean by that?
We're moving.
You're moving?
Yeah.
Ah boy.
Yeah.
We're not talking about the next part. You're moving, but what? You find a side girl yet?
No, we don't find a cycle. Right?
So how you fi moving and not find a side girl yet? That's a problem right there, saying. And if you understand me, I try to tell you.
We don't.
It's a headache if you have a girl over here and then she will switch. I bet you right now, 100%, you know, did if you say, boy, alright. You're alright for moving with her because you have doubts. I bet you. Eh? I tell you, brother. So what got now for that now? You have to have a side girl. So by the end of the day, make sure you link up with somebody or try to link somebody or get a side girl or something. You have to have it. It's a must. You understand me I said to you?
Yeah, but get me answer.
Yeah, man. So, but... How your mommy?
She alright.
She good?
Yeah, she alright. You know, she always up on the farm by the work, so.
Oh, she still up on the farm?
Yeah.
Alright, no wrong with that. No wrong with that.
Yeah, but overall, she good. Right now, I tell me if you tell her, say, I go move out.
Rough. Because you know, it's even today. You know, we meet one new girl, you know.
You meet one new girl?
New girl, and she the way girl love me is like me, I say to myself, say, boy, I'm more special.
Ah, bro, did.
Eh?
Ah, bro, did.
Well, when I tell you, say, bro, I'm black, because I don't feel like, boy, I discriminate.
No, no discrimination.
No, it's a girl. Just left it a girl.
Yeah, just a girl.
You know, my thing said that way.
Yeah, but you always have to remember, say, you man, them love bro, did them.
Yeah, man, I them that, I'm busy with them, you know what I mean? I don't hate and I discriminate. Fat or slim, you know what I mean? That's my thing, you know what I mean? So hear me I say, find your side piece. And if you don't find a side piece, you're not going to make no sense.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Yeah, we get what you say.
But yo, I'll feel auntie when I want to see you, but we don't know which list star. You know what I mean? Because the day you don't come here, you know? She don't know you none at all, you know?
I don't know her none at
She
all
don't
either.
recognize you none at all. Yeah, because, you know, we need to start link up back as family.
Yeah, we need to start link up.
You know what I mean?
That's why I be all like,
hold on, she call me right now.
she a call me right now?
Hold on there.
Speak of the devil.
Yeah, man. Yo, what going on there? Hold on, give me a second. My son call. 1 second. Yeah? 1 second. Tell the man, side girl, nothing.
Yeah, side.
Plenty. But you are, angle bangle, because you don't know anything.
Yeah.
May I make your auntie link you up, because we don't need to talk.
Yeah.
Here, sir?
Yeah.
And we just reach out.
We have to
keep it posted for the relationship.
I say family set, man. We have to always have to take care of family.
Exactly.
Hello? Yes, I'm by the shop. What's up? Okay, yeah, I can do that right now. Same place? Alright, I'll be there. Just give me a few. Okay. Okay, I'm here. Maybe a minute ago or so. You're close by? Alright, quickly now. Okay.
Princess.
Hey,
Hi.
what's up? Come on beside me, man. So what's going on?
No, would you come yet for go see you? How's your day been?
Oh my God, stressing.
Stressing? What's stressing?
Work and all every day. Me just in at the shop, you know. So me really just tired and all.
You want to come out to the shop?
Yeah, you know how long me not go out?
You want somebody to take you out?
I wish I had the person to take me out. But unfortunately, I don't.
You don't? So you want a king in your life?
You know, easy, you know. Well, of course, would I need a king. But unfortunately, I don't have a king right now.
You don't have a king right now? Okay, that's good to know.
How is that a good thing?
No, it's good to know for me.
For you?
Yeah.
Explain.
Explain. Well, talking to you easy. Feel more myself, rather.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
I can be comfortable with my real self.
So, you don't feel that way with anybody else?
Not really, particularly. Well, but in a situation right now.
What kind of situation?
Well, right now, I'm moving with somebody.
And you're talking about your girlfriend?
Yeah. Me and her moving, but I don't really, I never want moving, basically. I don't think me really, I don't really feel like for moving with her.
But it's not add up. So, initially, you never want moving, so why you moving?
Feel like she pressure me like if I don't do it, things go end between me.
But you are the man, you can't make a woman pressure you into doing something you don't want to do.
Most time I don't work out the way there. I left me a man. That's why I'm talk to you. Because I feel more comfortable.
Okay, so now I see your point. So basically, you have a intention.
Intention? You think so?
Yeah, I am seeing it right now. So you're trying to talk to me, so what? You don't feel like you like your girlfriend anymore?
Maybe.
Maybe. Then you need to tell her and let's see what happens from here.
What, between me and you? Alright, then think about it. That's all.
But you don't sound serious.
Be serious, be 100% serious.
You go tell her?
Yeah.
You need to do that.
Alright, me tell her. Because somebody like you, you're really nice, pretty, really beautiful. I say, hi, princess. I'm gonna love you for a queen of my life.
I appreciate you saying that, but I'm not in the foolishness with the man, so you have to go come real good.
You have to come real good? Alright, we can definitely come real good, man. Definitely.
I'll hold you to your words.
Alright. We'll make sure I tell her.
Okay. So which one of these days we can go out? Because seriously can't bother to see
you
her
wanna
in the
go
shop.
out?
Of course.
Alright, me take you out, man. Anywhere you wanna go. Just name a place.
I'll think about it, but I've never been to Dolphin Cove, you know.
Never been to Dolphin Cove?
No.
We can't carry to Dolphin Cove, man. Where you want to swim with the dolphins?
Yeah. I would love to try that.
Alright, we can definitely swim with the dolphins, man. Can make your wildest dreams come true, man.
Listen to me, your mouth too sweet right now, you know. Your mouth too sweet.
You too sweet?
Yeah.
Javi! Javi! Javi!
Who that?
Who that?
Hello? Hi.
Hi, good afternoon. Is yours a Javi live, right?
Who are you to Javi?
I'm his uncle.
Well, yes. Same place.
So, I'm going to call him now.
He's not here. He left for a meeting.
You left for a meeting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Javi.
Yes.
Okay, the meeting. All right, that's good. All right, so how long time to move in that place, right?
Yeah.
So you're his girlfriend?
I am.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. You know, you're a part of the family now and thing, right?
I am?
Yes, man, your family.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. So, I'll see you more often because, he's my little nephew. I'm going to take good, I check for you. You understand? So, my name is Public, right?
Well,
and I'll see
Sky.
you. Sky?
Yeah.
All right, hold it right there. All right, Sky?
Thank you.
So, just tell him someone pass by, uncle when pass by, and me call him. All right?
I will do.
Yeah, man, bless up, Sky.
Nice suit.
Yeah, man, thank you.
All right. Hello? Voice. I'm gonna answer the phone. Anyways, if you get this voice message here, just know say I'm cook your favorite pineapple chicken with rice. And come back to babe, I'm worried about you. Come here, try calling you now and answer the phone. You good? Alright. Hello? What you say? My man. What you mean? The wheel? River with O. I like that, yo. But anyways, thanks. Here, thank you.
Hello. You know, say up a fair place with right now. Yeah, I'm there Riverside. There's some news to tell us, so come over here, some man. Just over here. Yeah, come over here. Yeah, so in the river. Yeah. That's so nice news to tell you, man. Glad to hear that.
Well, I am glad I was able to come.
So,
So,
there's so great news to tell you.
great news.
Yeah.
What great news?
Well, I break up with my girlfriend. So I'm officially single.
What? You break up with your girlfriend for real?
Yeah. I say, you tell me say you want me to break up with her and I like your vibe. So you
What?
be choosing
Like,
with. So we officially single.
Okay then. I never know if you take me serious.
Of course we take it serious. So you think me gonna do?
So you're a man of your words then?
Yeah, a man of my words.
Okay. You see I struggle for food.
Me don't struggle.
Yeah, I struggle. See I do it like this. And you bring it up.
But you know how to do it.
You never know if you do it. See? Done.
Yeah, simple.
Simple. Ah, thank you. So,
Yeah.
how she take the news? Like, what she say when you tell her say over?
Well, she never take it too well. Cause no, we pull it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. She never.
So she cuss and go on and...
Yeah. You know how females go, so she kinda go kinda crazy.
Okay,
So we pull
then.
it.
Yeah, but look how much your waist.
That's fine. I never come here for you, drink. I come here for you.
Like how that sound.
You know, say you like a river.
Yeah, I really love river.
Yeah. So next time, can I take you out to where do you say you walk again? Dolphin Cove.
Yes,
Yeah.
can't wait.
Yeah. So next time,
So-
I take you out to Dolphin Cove.
Definitely. But like, so you think she move on, like, she did really upset?
Upset. Like she did just have Eddie, especially she did go out crazy. Just have Eddie. Right now, might have to find a new place because we rent the place together. So I think about to find a new place.
Me feel the fear still.
You feel the fear?
Yeah, but I mean, she don't appreciate it obviously. So I guess she lose a good man.
Yeah.
Not my
But-
fault.
You don't have to care about her. But say I'm here, you know, so you don't have to worry about you. And you go there for my mind from the wall.
I like how that sounds. Anyways, alright, think you want to get a touch into the water now?
Yeah, but we can get a touch in our water.
Alright.
Can I put this down?
Yeah, try to
As
put it on.
when soon go come down, so we'll take a dip.
Yeah. No man, I feel tired. Help me up.
Help me up.
You're strong?
Yeah, but
Don't let me drop you now.
Nah, we can drop princess. Come.
What?
Come. Come.
Feel like you're not strong enough.
Be strong, man.
Feel like you're not strong.
Come.
Hold on. Let me put on my phone. Hello? Hello? Who is this?
A friend.
What's her name, miss? What? What mean by who is this? So this is the important meeting you have to attend? So babe, this is it. This is the meeting? Is this the meeting? Me not depend on the depend. You don't say you're not break up, so why you come and break up? Me no matter over. Sure. You know what, let me leave in the place. Let me let you so. I wish you take off slippers. Don't make a mistake to touch me, no girl. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Yeah, with no man. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Me left out of this and I come in a fighting mood. You know? No, go. Leave. You know what? I'm wrong. I'm take your man. Come on, single man out there. I'm my 5 years relationship. Will come match up, girl. Girl, shut up and listen. If your man did want you, he would have listened. He would have left you. What? Oh! Are you in trick, idiot? Trick who? If you can't fool it, go leave. I'm out to sit near man. Tell me about you. Go ahead. Right, but then, idiot. Idiot will get you. Excuse me, miss.
Hi.
Hey, I'm not so familiar with the
Hi.
place. You know where the Mandeville taxi is parked?
Yes. You know, say down there, so The Mandeville taxi them there, down there so.
Oh.
But guess what? A public holiday, today a Good Friday.
Oh.
So, not too much of a taxi now in here, so a little bit of taxi in here. So if you want a Mandeville taxi, you have to go way up back up to the front of the city. You see them bus there and then car there up there, so just go and ask any one of them mobile taxi man there. To show you the Mandeville taxi here.
Alright then.
Yeah man.
I'm just a come up the sun.
You never ask them no question, you just pass like you know where you're going. But that's not man, a normal thing. You can't just go up there and ask
give me
anybody.
a second. Give me a second.
Alright, no problem.
Hello. Javi, listen, me not talking right now with you. Me tell you what is expected. Me tell you what me expect from you, and you really make your ex come at the river come embarrass me them way there. You know the amount of people where they at the river know me actually call me phone and I talk about the embarrassment. Me no need to hear your apology right now. That is very unacceptable. It not gonna work, it just not gonna work. Number one, you lie to me, you tell me say you and the girl break up. When me take a stop, the girl actually follow we come at the river. Yeah, obviously I follow, she follow we, how she knows that we did it. But you know what? Me not gonna continue the conversation anymore. It's over and me can't do this anymore. Anyways, me I go home right now, me I go Mandeville right now, and my boss just come, so don't link me, block me, don't text me, don't call me, that's it, goodbye.
Javi, what have mercy, I want to know.
Yes, miss, so you did I say the bus park down there, so?
Yes, Mandeville bus, right down there, so
Okay.
Mandeville bus there.
Alright, so me I go get a bus, thank you very much.
So what is your name?
Princess, they call me Princess.
You know my name?
No, first time seeing you.
Troublemaker.
Why?
As for my name, that depends on my birth certificate. Your name not depend on your birth certificate.
Well, Princess, I'm a pet name still, you know, but Troublemaker, where you get a lot of trouble?
Well, my first name is Troublemaker and my last name is Warmonger. I'm here they call me nephew name.
Your nephew?
You know Javi?
Javi, we were supposed to get together, but obviously it never work out. So, how my conversation, you take it up?
No, me not take up it. Me not take it up. You're right there so they talk and me never they listen you. Just my mind tell me say they call Javi name. I want to know where you are my nephew into.
If Javi is your nephew, you have a very bad nephew. You're never terrible. Imagine say, Javi come to me, say I'm interested in me. I'm going to take a step, me and Javi go out on a date. And a girl come up and want to fight me. Are them kind of never that you have, miss?
You forgot what me tell you some name? I mean I talk to?
Miss, me no business what your name, but you approach me.
Princess or Princin. You know somebody take off your glasses off your face. You know that, don't?
You know what?
Mind how you call up me nephew name. Because who to tell you for no name your name out me nephew money now when they come chat and they laugh with people on phone.
Excuse me?
You don't know me nephew money?
Excuse me, miss. You know what? This is where I draw the line.
Draw the line. Come ready for hang out the clothes with the clothespin.
You come like I say, you running at the family. You all are terrible. As a matter of fact, bye.
Girl, you know who you talk to?
You know, say
You know who you talk to?
You're just assault.
Assault your backside. You talk about me nephew. Blood thicker than water. Who you?
You know what?
You name out me nephew money and come and road a come boss funny. And a man you did daily so I chat to and then I call Javi.
Call your nephew and find out what happened before you come. Listen,
you know say me can't girl, me can't say I want little coward, you know. Me bust up your face out here. And that's if you know.
Lady.
Okay. Cause you're a bad girl. Take off your clothes, because you feel say you're better than me. I will strip out your...
You know me. Hey, you know me. Hey, you're lucky enough. Listen. Hey, sir, let him go. Let her go now. Let her go.
Let me go.
Behave for yourself.
Let me go.
Behave for yourself.
Let me go. Are you... Hey, girl. Hey.
babe, this is it. This is the meeting. Is this the meeting?
Me not depend on the depend. You know say you're not break up.
What do you mean by break up? Break up how?
Let me
talk about 5 years.
Just
5 years. What you do? What you do?
Let me go. What you do?
Where you go? So this is the meeting, eh? This is the meeting, babe. This is it.
What
Who are you? Who are you?
What do you mean? You know, tell me say you're not break up. So why you come and
break up? Me no matter over. Sure.
You know what? Let me leave in a place. Let me let you so. I wish you take off slippers. Don't touch me, no girl.
So, let me go now. Let me touch. You know, let me take my man.
Mood in a girl.
What that mean? You know
Don't come near me.
Mash up my life.
Don't come near me.
I'm sorry. Jamila, your body a flesh joke.
I'm never catching me dropping now.
Hold on. All right.
I'm sorry.
That must be it now.
Action.
Don't touch me.
Action.
Don't make a mistake to touch me, no girl. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Oh, yeah.
Let me go.
Hold on, me. Yeah, with no man.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Me left out of this and I'm in a fighting mood.
No, go. Leave.
You know what? I'm wrong. I'm take your man.
Come on, single man out there. I'm a 5 years relationship. You won't come mash up, girl.
Girl, shut up and listen. If your man did want you, he would have listened. He would have left you.
Action.
So when you sound so, this is our moment.
Alright.
Sound so negative and cross. What's the problem?
Alright. I just remember say he said I was supposed to be I just you caught me off guard. But we try to remember.
We're just trying to spot every single thing. This is our moment, celebration of our romantic relationship for over 5 years. Anyways.
Alright. Miss sorry. You know what's some little bit. We just enjoy it. Put this smile by your face, you don't say you want to smile. Okay. Alright. Oh, so how's it going right now? You said it might be a problem? Alright, so if I go look for somewhere to live, we just beat the ball. Action. No, you can't tell us I get a phone call. She.
No, I make a phone call.
Huh?
I make a phone call.
So when came in right here, so just say I got bathroom.
Exactly. Say that about you.
I'm not suspect you, you know, man, say me
You
now.
can just go and check your phone. Eh?
You know I carry this with me.
Alright, ready up.
Alright. Ready? Wait. Action.
Now we go about you,
No, wait. Give me 2 seconds. Alright. Look to shit out on the camera. Tap, look at your camera, man. Backside there. Action.
Now go right about you,
Alright, pause.
Especially when I every day working.
You see? Here. Show him there.
Yeah, ask me, I want to be the coach.
So, yeah. So, ready? Hey.
Oh, God, they're good.
Good, man. Good to see you, boy. Cause, yo, it's been a while I haven't seen you, you know?
Yeah, a long time, man.
It's been that time. So what?
You know, say, I check me, I come check it out. Because, you know how, like, I'm an uncle. But some of that don't fall in my life, now. And you there in my life for a very long time.
Hold on. You in trouble?
No, I'm not in trouble. No! I don't know this today. No matter think that. I don't know this today.
So
Just
what,
do a
bro?
coach check it. You know, my 18.
Come back and slide at this. I know you want to be Yo, go on, go do something and find something, man.
How with that?
Are you all, auntie?
Auntie.
Introduce tormented and all these things. But hold on, back to you now. So what you say? Because you know, it's been a while since I see you. I'm glad to know say you think about relationship and all these things. So I settle with a girl or something.
Just like that. Because just like high school and this whole university. 6 hours.
Guy, day just start. More have a good day. Yeah? Enjoy your day.
You know, so I noticed your friend the other day. I notice you, know, you public, I notice you. Since you get so big and start up, woman, you feel you can contact me in here. But I don't say go. Remember, say over here you live. We mama dead and gone. Oh, you. When you look so me, I change your napping, you turn big man and start up. Go say start up here by your front.
Come here, I like it.
Wait, come. Ready. I hear by your front. Go say it. Alright, ready?
You turn big smelly.
No, you turn big smaddy. You're going like I say me can't talk to you again. When you look so, I may change your pampers, I may have to take care of you. Remember, so we mama dead gone. And left with you so. You can't contact to me anyhow till you start have feather and hear all about my you.
Hold on.
Who you?
Hold on. Yeah, you mean if you tell
And
me.
not talk to me like say you're my man neither. We are brother and sister.
Alright, hold on. It means that every day I same thing. Every day what God create, you get up with the same conversation.
Why?
Why you need for me give you for you understand? Say, I appreciate all the help you give me, but you can't stop one so like say boy me owe you something every day. Like.
Are you the one like me obligated to you? Because me and me yard I look over the people in my yard over there, so you over there so question who to tell it for me nephew because me don't even know him. And you can't tell me say me a fast in a people business I owe you.
Yeah, but you still start turn. What you talk about? Eh?
Why me older than you?
Alright.
I mean your bigger sister and talk. You know what? Go on about your business.
Big up person, yeah? You?
Like me not have no right to look off of your eye.
Theo.
You look like a yours. Yeah, I'm out of the know what.